Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So this is part 5 video on .NET 7 Web API CRUD operation using one-to-many relationship table. Here in this video, our main goal is to implement the delete operation. Okay, let's implement the delete operation in such a way that on deleting the record in parent component, means in customer component will automatically deletes the child component, means customer address component. Okay, create action method. Name method like delete. Delete action method must registered with HTTP delete verb. HTTP delete verb. Okay, and to this method we expecting ID of the record we want to delete. So I will name it like int ID, and I want to read that ID value from the route. So I will define route attribute. Okay, since it should be a dynamic value, right? So I'm going to give like ID, and I can specify validation like integer. Okay, type also I can define in the route itself. Now first let's fetch the customer record from the database that we want to delete. Okay, where customer to delete. Okay, I will create a variable mydb context dot customer dot include. While getting the customer, you must fetch its child records. That means customer addresses records using the include method. Okay, and we want to get the only one record of customer, right? So I can use first or default async. And we have to filter first or default means based on the ID. So add where condition. So first or default async is a asynchronous call, right? Await it. Okay, first thing is we have to check whether the ID is valid ID or not. How we can check means if it is a valid ID, we will get data from the database. Okay, if customer to delete equal to null means not a valid ID, so the data from the database is empty. At that time, we can simply return not found. Okay, if the data exists, then we have to delete. So my db context dot customer dot delete, sorry, remove method. So for adding we have add, for updating we have update. So for deleting we have remove method. To that remove method we have to pass the customer to delete object. Now this remove method changes the state of the context, like is ready to delete the customer and customer addresses records. So whenever we immediately invoke save changes async, when the context is changed, then automatically database gets updated. Okay, and finally I can return, like if you want to return okay as a response, you can return, or no content also is good way to return. Okay, and save changes async must be awaited. This is a asynchronous call. That's it. We are done with our delete action method. Let's test it. So rerun my application by clicking Control R. Sorry, rebuild. Here is my delete endpoint. Okay, first let's get the one of the customer ID. Execute get endpoint. Okay. And let's try to fetch this, delete this record. Okay. So now try out the delete, click on it. Okay. And it is 204, no content. That means successfully deleted. If I re-execute my get API, next time this record won't come because it is not exist in database. We just deleted it. So let's re-execute. Okay. So only two records. Our third record is deleted. Okay. That means we are successfully done with our delete operation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video delivered some useful content to you all. If you like the video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel, and please don't forget to like and share the video. Soon we are going to meet with new content. Until then, signing off.